Alright folks, let's talk about money. It's that thing we all need, yet it often feels like a mystery wrapped in an enigma. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refine your money management skills, this is the place to be. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when faced with financial jargon and complex charts. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many people find themselves scratching their heads when it comes to managing their finances. Don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. We'll simplify those intimidating terms and concepts, making them accessible and easy to understand. We're your friendly guide who can explain things in plain language without all the confusing financial speak. We'll cover the basics of financial management in a way that's easy to grasp and, dare I say, even a little bit fun. Yes, you heard that right. Fun! Managing your money can be an empowering and even enjoyable experience. Think of your finances as a garden that needs care and attention. With the right tools and knowledge, you can watch it flourish. So buckle up, Buttercup. It's time to take control of your finances. This journey might have its ups and downs, but with determination and the right guidance, you'll navigate through it smoothly. Think of this as your crash course in financial freedom. Just like any other subject, learning about money requires time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. You'll gain valuable skills that will serve you for a lifetime. We explore the essentials of budgeting, the power of saving, the magic of investing, and the importance of managing debt. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in building a strong financial foundation. By understanding and mastering them, you'll be well equipped to handle any financial challenge that comes your way. So are you ready to dive in? Let's do this. Together, we'll navigate the world of finance, turning confusion into clarity and goals into reality. Let's embark on this exciting adventure towards financial empowerment and success. First things first, we need to talk about budgeting. It's the cornerstone of any solid financial plan, and the first step towards achieving your financial goals. Now, before you roll your eyes and click away, hear me out. Budgeting doesn't have to be a tedious chore. In fact, it can be quite empowering. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself or living like a monk. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and priorities. It's about having a clear roadmap for your money. Just like you wouldn't set off on a road trip without a map, you shouldn't navigate your finances without a budget. Think of your budget as your financial GPS. It guides you, keeps you on track, and helps you avoid financial pitfalls. It helps you track where your money is going, identify areas where you might be overspending, and make adjustments to reach your financial destination. It's like having a personal financial coach. Start by listing your income and all your expenses. This gives you a clear picture of your financial situation. Be honest with yourself. Those daily lattes add up. Small, seemingly insignificant expenses can accumulate over time and impact your budget. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start setting realistic financial goals. These goals will give you something to strive for and keep you motivated. Want to buy a house, travel the world, retire early? All these dreams are within reach with a well-planned budget. A budget will help you get there. It breaks down your big dreams into manageable steps and keeps you accountable. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. Start today and watch your financial health improve steadily. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each one is a testament to your commitment and progress. Keep planning, keep adjusting, and keep moving forward. Your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. With a solid budget, you'll find financial freedom and peace of mind. It's your roadmap to a secure and prosperous future. Saving money sounds boring, right? Wrong. Saving is your secret weapon for a brighter future. It's about creating a safety net for emergencies, having funds for future goals, and achieving financial security. Start by setting up an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will provide a cushion in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical bills. Once your emergency fund is in good shape, start saving for your other goals. Remember, it's not about how much you save, it's about consistency. Even small amounts add up over time, especially with the power of compound interest on your side. Think of saving as paying your future self. You'll thank yourself later. Investing. It sounds complicated, right? You might picture a room full of busy stock traders on Wall Street or think it's something only financial experts can handle. But that's not the case at all, like something only Wall Street hotshots do. Wrong again. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth over time, and it's not as intimidating as you might think. In fact, anyone can start investing with just a little bit of knowledge and a willingness to learn. Investing is about putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting your savings sit idle in a bank account, you're putting it into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. This could include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. And it's not just about the potential for growth. Investing can also provide you with a sense of financial security and peace of mind. By diversifying your investments, you can spread your risk and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. In simple terms, investing is about putting your money to work for you, instead of letting your savings sit idle in a bank account and becoming a victim of inflation. Inflation chips away year on year on the buying power of your dollar. Remember how everything seemed cheaper when you were younger? That's because it did. Inflation increased the cost to make the product, so the company increased their prices to retain their level of profits. Anyway, back to investing. The key is to start early and invest consistently. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow, and remember, diversification is your friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Now that we've talked about making your money work for you, let's dive into something that's equally important: managing debt effectively. Debt can be a heavy burden, but with the right strategies, you can take control and work towards a debt-free future. In this chapter, we'll discuss two popular methods for tackling debt: the snowball payment method and the avalanche payment method. First up, the snowball payment method. This approach involves paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. The idea is to gain momentum and motivation as you see your debts disappearing one by one. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest, and so on. This method can be particularly effective if you need a psychological boost to stay motivated on your debt repayment journey. Next, we have the avalanche payment method. This strategy focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. By tackling high-interest debts, you can save more money on interest payments over time. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, you move on to the next highest, and so forth. The avalanche method can be a more cost-effective approach in the long run, as it minimizes the amount of interest you pay. It's also crucial to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is typically an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income, such as a mortgage. Bad debt, on the other hand, includes high-interest consumer debt like credit cards, which can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. By understanding and applying these debt management strategies, you can take charge of your financial future and pave the way towards a brighter, debt-free life. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and keep your eye on the prize. Thanks for your time and spending it with us here at M Squared. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for hanging with me, M Squared fam. If you like this video, you're going to love the one on your screen right now. It's packed with even more great information and tidbits for you to enjoy. Click it, and we'll see you on the other side.